Morning, Anthony at Meineke, Cinnaminson. We're in the final steps of the 1972 ls3 swap. Car runs, everything else is good. Shifter's in. The exhaust is almost finished. I'm waiting for some mufflers. The customer didn't want it really loud. So he did request that the car only start and park. And then this shifter, I'm going to show you here. This is the switch we're going to be installing. Alright, so if you take a closer look at it, so this will be armed, meaning you can start the car in park, and then once it comes out of park position, it releases, breaking that circuit. So right there is the switch mounted to the shifter, and it's in park. And then watch the tab. Reverse, breaks the contact. Park, so you can start the car. So in that position, the starter will crank from the key. If that shifter's not in that position, it cuts the starter circuit. Pull 2 wires through the carpet. On this car here, it's the 2 purple wires cut in half. It's actually purple and white on this. You're gonna go in between the circuit and you're good to go.